Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be sharing a recipe with you guys. I'm showing you guys how to make this delicious Sopa De Conchitas, which my son loves, and I honestly love it myself because it's just really good and it's so easy to make. So here are the ingredients and all that you're actually gonna need to make this sopita. So I'm using some conchitas. I'm using a little piece of onion, 3 tomatoes, make sure you wash those, some salt, and some consomme, which is this one here. So the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is just add some oil into the pan that I'm actually gonna be making the sopa in. So as you can see, that is what I'm doing right now. So now that the oil is nice and hot, I am ready to go ahead and add the sopa into the pan here. So that's pretty much just what I'm going to be doing now. So make sure guys that your pan is on like low because this can actually easily burn super fast and you don't want that to happen. All we need to do is just let it turn like a golden brown color. Now I'm gonna start making the salsa that I'm gonna be adding into the sopa. So I'm gonna be cutting my tomatoes in half and I'm just going to be adding them into the blender here. I'm also going to be adding the piece of onion that I cut and a little bit of salt and also some water. And of water I put like about up to the number 3. However, I'm actually going to be adding more water once I finish blending this because it is definitely going to need more water. So now that the sopa has actually turned a golden brown color, it's ready for me to just add the salsa. So that's what I'm just doing here. I'm just adding it all into the pot here. And I'm also going to be adding more water because this definitely needs more water in there. So this is how much I'm adding more. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the water and then just go ahead and let it boil. So after I add the salsa, this is just how it looks. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is add the consomme. So for the consomme, I do actually like to put 3 spoonfuls of the consomme. So that's pretty much all it needs, guys. So it's 3 spoonfuls that I'm going to be adding to the sopa. So it's been a couple of minutes and I've noticed that now it's starting to boil. So at this time I am going to show you guys how it looks, and I'm also going to be actually trying a little piece of it just to see if it's pretty much done or if it still needs some time. And this is just how it looks. I actually prefer the sopa to be a little on the harder side, obviously cooked, but just not too overcooked. So once I tried a little piece, I've realized that it's pretty much done cooking. So at this point, it's ready to serve. Alright guys, so I just finished making the sopa and this is my baby's plate right here. I told you guys this is the easiest thing to make. You can also add some cheese and some chicken to it and it tasted so good. Bebes, where's your ball? Time to eat. ¿Quieres comer? Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you all did enjoy this cook with me video and definitely try the recipe. I promise you guys your kids will love it.